Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Cash App. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this window, you will search about Cash App and you will click here. Then you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage, and here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.